Hi, this is Chris Butaud with Capstone Home Loans, and this is your monthly mortgage minute on behalf of the Danielle Goheen team. And this month I want to talk about bridge loans. Bridge loans are essentially a way of tapping into the equity of a current home that you have that you plan to sell, and use that equity as a bridge to buying a new home before you sell the current home. And that can be very valuable in a competitive market like we've been in, where there's uncertainty about the ability to, as to when you can get into contract on the new home. So you don't want to sell the old home first and burn that bridge and have nowhere to live. And so a bridge loan can be a great solution for that. And we used to have great bridge loans before the crash, and then the crash happened, and really most of the really great options went away. And the good news is they're actually coming back. And at Capstone we have a great program that really is just like the old one, where you can borrow up to $400,000, up to 80% of the value of your current residence that you're going to be selling, and in doing so, we ignore the home expense related to the departing resident. So that helps you qualify for the new one. That's not the only way. There also, for the longest time, when kind of these types of bridge loans went away, we did what I call backdoor bridge loans, and there are a number of different ways to do that. They generally require you to be able to qualify carrying both loans, but there's some great options there as well. Most of those involve taking a large home equity line of credit, getting that in place on the home you're about to depart, so that you can draw that equity out and use that as a down payment on the new home. It's a very efficient way to do that because home equity lines of credit are very inexpensive. They only start charging you interest, when you draw the money out, and they can be closed down easily and paid off, when you sell the departing primary. So those are just a couple of ways that we approach the opportunity to buy a home before you sell your departing residence. Every situation is different, but there are often opportunities to do that. So give me a call if I can help in any way. Thanks so much. This has been Chris Butaud with Capstone Home Loans on behalf of the Danielle Goheen team. Thanks again.